Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're here with this beautiful look. Did my take on the latte makeup trend that's going on right now, and this is what we came up with. I can't lie, I'm in love. I'm in love, and I'm never really in love with eyeshadow, but this, yeah, I'm in love. Like a bronzy look, defo up my alley. But yeah guys, if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, just keep on watching.
Why you gotta be so indecisive? Why you gotta be, yeah. I just wanna stop all the fighting. I just wanna stop all the fighting. And you don't know what you want. And you don't know what you're fighting for. And baby, you're the one.
Okay, so today we are doing the latte makeup look. It's kind of a trend that's been going on right now, and it's definitely normal makeup that people have been doing for years, but it just has like a tag name on it now. So, and I just kind of think it's just more of a bronzy glam with, it's just quite a warm look. So we're gonna go ahead and try to achieve that today. As you can see, I've done my brows and stuff already, so I'm just gonna go in to prime my face today. I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. Power Grip primer. So we're gonna use this today. I'm just gonna go in with like a couple pumps of this, and just maybe 3. I think this is even the most that I've ever used of this. Like, I don't really tend to apply this. So yeah, today I don't know what that is. I think I'm gonna use this Born This Way foundation because I don't actually use it quite often. So, and I think this is actually a good match because at first I've tried a couple Born This Way foundations, but I haven't been able to find the right shade. But I think this one is a good shade for me, so I'm going to use the shade Spiced Rum today. So I'm just going to apply that to the back of my hand, which is very much dry. It is so dry. Can we come on camera a bit? Okay. Probably going to do like... Oh, that was one pump. I don't know if you guys can tell, but that is very, very thick. I don't call it cuffing. I just call it loving. I still have quite a lot of product at the back of my hand still, which is really, really good. And so I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out. I'm gonna use this Fenty beauty brush. It's the 11515. What? The 115 foundation brush, please don't mind me. And it's quite dense and it's quite thick. Oh gosh, I think I've stopped using this brush. No, this is so good. I'm gonna brush this down my neck, make sure here it's all blended. This coverage though, can't lie, it's crazy. I'm gonna have to start using this foundation a little bit more than I do. I'm gonna go in with, what do I want to go in with? My first layer of concealer. I don't know if I want to try a new concealer out. What new concealers I even have to try? Don't mind me. Found these Fenty Beauty concealers that I got in like from one of my other videos that I did. I've not picked them up ever again since that video. So I'm just like, I want to try it out. I'm gonna use the lighter shade though. I'm gonna use this shade for sure. So I'm just gonna go in with, okay, I'm gonna use this as a lighter shade. Oh no, I want to use my H&B. Damn, the battle of concealers today, boy. But I love a good concealer. Okay, I'm gonna use my H&B today because I haven't shown you guys it on what's this app called? No, I use my H&B another day. Yeah, okay, cool. We're going to use that Fenty one. I'm going to go in with my Boing concealer first. This is the shade 11, which is from Benefit, and I'm going to use this just to first like conceal my under eyes and just get some coverage underneath there. I'm going to go in with a cream blush as well today. I'm going to use this Fenty Beauty Cream blush in the shade Rosé Latte. I feel like I have a habit of buying makeup and then not using it. Like, I've had this for a while, the same thing with that Fenty product stuff, but I just didn't use it, and now I'm like, oh my god, this is actually kind of good. Why have I not been using it all this time? This is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna go with a dense brush like this. This is from Anastasia, and it's the A30 brush. I'm just gonna attack it literally and just apply this to my face. I kind of do this heavy-handedly because it's I lied. I was about to say it's a natural blush, but today it's given coverage. I don't know, maybe it's the brush I'm using, because you can see it. Like, I tend to use this on like my natural days, but oh, it's given pigment today. So just, and I love how this is like, I don't even have to like really blend it out because it just blends nicely into the skin. But I'm just gonna go over it with my foundation brush just a little bit, just to, you know, make sure the edges are all nicely blended, and it creates like a nice radiance to your face as well. So when your concealer is like either dry, what I tend to do, what you do is just apply more concealer on top, really, can't lie, or you can apply setting spray to like rejuvenate it, refresh it, shall I say. I'm gonna go in with cream bronzer today as well, so we're gonna use this Anastasia one. It's in the shade Chestnuts. This is what it looks like. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this Real Techniques 200 brush. I was about to say 2000. It's like I didn't go to school. It's actually like I didn't go to school, because what the hell. Swirl it inside, but then I'm gonna apply it to the back of my hand just to warm up the product a little bit, and then we're gonna go ahead and just cover the lace. But I'm just gonna apply it to the sides. I hope you guys can see, because I can't even see what I'm doing right now. So we like our buns are quite high. Okay, I can see what I'm doing now. Oh, this looks so good. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my brush that I use for my blush and just reapply it a little bit, because I feel like it got lost a little bit. And do you know what? I don't think I'm gonna use this Fenty concealer today, because I'm scared. I can't even lie. Like, the way this is going, it looks good. I don't want to ruin it, so let's just use this. Oh yeah, and the hype about this concealer is real. Like, no, they wasn't lying and they said it's good. So I'm literally going to use just a little bit, because it actually is full coverage. So, boy, tread carefully with this. That's literally what I'm going to use, and I promise you I use too much. Ooh, boy. Are you seeing the coverage of this concealer? Like, look at how it just brightened my face. I'm gonna go in with my setting powder, and for some reason I'm choosing to go in with my translucent honey rather than translucent. I have not picked this up in like, I think a year. This whole year I have not picked this shade up, but today we are going to. So this is the one that has like a slight tint of yellow, but I don't mind because I'm gonna go in and like brighten it anyway. So yeah. I've set the face. I'm gonna go in with my translucent just to kind of bake it a little bit, because I'm gonna go in and do my eyeshadow anyways. So I'm gonna just put a bit of this on and just let it sit there, just to kind of make it brighter as well anyway. I don't even know I'm doing it today, because I don't actually do this both, but it needs to be brighter than the translucent honey for sure. Then I'm gonna use my Fenty powder. Look at this, please. And I'm gently like tapping over the area that I put cream bronzer, just so it's not too wet, so when I actually apply powder bronzer it doesn't stick too much and make it look muddy. I'm gonna go in with my very much loved Fenty Beauty in the shade Mocha Mami, my bronzer, and I'm using this like angled brush. Very much loved. I'm just gonna lightly flick this on because I don't want to like. Now we're gonna go in with this DFA Cosmetics That Girl blush palette. I want to use this colour because it's quite orangey. I'm gonna use this Full Technique 400 brush, so it's basically for blush. You see that pigment already, boy? Hey, let's take it easy. Got a bit on. I'm kind of nervous. Yeah. It's pigmented. Oh god. Just gently take it easy and just apply it. Okay, we're gonna get into the eyes now, and I'm just gonna put concealer on my eyelids. This is right in front of me, so I'm just gonna use this. This is a Fenty concealer. It's a cheeky base. Juvia's Place palette, the Masquerade mini palette. I'm gonna use this. Oh, it's good. It's quite warm. I need to use this palette more often. What the hell? I'm gonna go in with this colour called Zulu. Can y'all see that? Oh. Going back in with my transition colour and just blending the two together on the edges, just so it's like a lot more seamless, so it's not too harsh. I'm gonna go in with this Jaclyn Hill palette. Mine, the faded like this, yeah. This is actually even embarrassing to show, but I'm gonna go in the shade called Secret in this. I'm kind of mixing it with Mugshot. It's not too dark, but it's like, you know, dark enough to just do what I need it to do. And just put some more on my crease. I don't want to take this too high up. Ooh! Damn, man! Your eyeshadow look good. My intrusive thoughts are actually coming out, boy. Okay, so I'm going back in to the Juvia's Place palette. I'm going to use the shade called Casablanca. Casablanca. It's like a shimmer shade right here. I just had a look at my face in like full light, and I can't lie, my face is eating. Anyways, I just sprayed my brush with sunscreen. I can never remember what order it is, if it's spray it first and put pigment, or put pigment and spray it, but whichever one works, yeah. And I don't really need pigment too much anyway, because this Juvia's Place is very pigmented, let me tell you that. One thing about Juvia's Place, they got some pigment. Right, so we're gonna go in and apply this now. Ooh. So I don't want it too defined, like I don't want it like a cut crease, even though it's gonna look like one. So I'm just gonna kind of like buff it into the other like the brown shades, and just kind of blend them together, so you can't really see like where it starts and where it kind of stops. And this just kind of helps to like make it shine a bit more because I have hooded eyes. So I'll just take it a bit higher than technically where it needs to go. I'm gonna apply a bit more, especially in the center. Just like really pops there. This colour is gorgeous, I can't lie. Wow. I'm gonna do a cheeky little reverse contour because I just feel like it today. I'm gonna put like basically the powder and put on the beauty blender and just cover just a little bit. Can you even see this? I'm mixing it in with something lighter because it's not showing too tough. Bingo. You're my only woman. I'm gonna go back in with that Fit Me and just kind of tap this underneath my eye because it's lacking some brightness. Like, girlfriend, you don't want them to see me from far? You trying to dim my light? I'm gonna keep it quite centered. I'm gonna keep the brightness just here. I've done my lashes and like setting spray and like bottom makeup and all of that stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and do my lips now. I'm gonna use this trendsetter from Morphe. On top. I'll just use my Kiko. I don't know, it's not calling at me today. It's not giving lip combo. It's just giving, yeah, lips. I really wanted to do more of like a skin tone brown nude. Ooh, I know what I'm gonna put a bit of concealer in my lips. That's more concealer. Bit brown. I think that's it. This is the finished look. Like, I can't lie, I am shook. And that's why I'm whispering, because like I can't believe it. Like, latte me up every single day. If this is what my face is gonna look like, yeah, latte makeup 24s. I'm in love with this look. I feel like it's wearable glam to look. I did like a matchy nudie gloss with it, so like not like pinky but very skin tone gloss, and I feel like it matched with this look perfectly.
I don't call it